I think we as people tend to settle into some pretty strange routines. One of these has to do with places we visit often, such as where we work, the grocery store, and even school. When we have been to these places enough, we sort of develop tunnel vision, where we no longer see the things around us, due to the familiarity. My friend Ale was determined to change that. He invited me back to campus, despite us both having finished our finals, for one last mission. We were going to wake up at sunrise to capture footage of campus in all of its beauty.
I'm tired, can't think straight, I'm lying to my face in the broken mirror. What I want to see, I've lost sight of what's a part of me. The feeling, the anxiety, my mind is running over me. I'm coasting, how it's supposed to be. I've lost sight of what I wanna be. I know I keep on coming back to the start of the page. I know it's bad for my health and it makes me go insane. And every night I hesitate, I just can't walk away. No, 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 I know I keep on scarring myself every single night. I come back to the one who's gonna fuck up every time. I try every night to walk away. And cause if you want me every single day, and I know I'm stuck and you're in between the way, wanna push you aside but you're begging me to stay. When I've got the fear of holding on, part of me's open, you wanna stay. And every night you keep on getting in the way, but I get so stuck, you never wanna change your way. When I've got the fear of holding on, you're feeding on my heart to beat. You want me, falling on my knees. You got me, locked without a key. Mixing up highs to feel complete. You're riding on a sunken feet, so misplaced that I never reach. And now you watch me compete. I know that's all I'll ever be. You know I keep on coming back to the start of the page. You know it's bad for my health and it makes me go insane. And every time I hesitate, I just can't walk away. No, no, no. You know I keep on scarring myself every single night. And coming back to you, I'm gonna fuck up every time. And every night I hesitate, I gotta realize I know, I know, I know. And cause if you want me every single day, and I know I'm stuck and you're in between the way, wanna push you aside but you're begging me to stay. When I've got the fear of holding on, part of me's open, you wanna stay. And every night you keep on getting in the way, but I get so stuck, you never wanna change your way. When I've got the fear of holding on, and cause if you want me every single day, and I know I'm stuck and you're in between the way, wanna push you aside but you're begging me to stay. When I've got the fear of holding on, part of me's open, you wanna stay. And every night you keep on getting in the way, but I get so stuck, you never wanna change your way. When I've got the fear of holding on, cause if you want me every single day, and I know I'm stuck and you're in between the way, wanna push you aside but you're begging me to stay. When I've got the fear of holding on, part of me's open, you wanna stay. And every night you keep on getting in the way, but I get so stuck, you never wanna change your way. When I've got the fear of holding on.
While we were reviewing footage, I asked Ale what his motivation for shooting this video was.
Pretty much whenever I'm walking around campus, I'm always thinking about like cool opportunities, cool shots, fun things to try, and a lot of them involved FPV. So today, I texted Sam a couple weeks ago and I was like, you want to go to campus a little early, wake up at the crack of dawn and then go fly drones around. We got to fly around see all the things we walked by hundreds of times in a different perspective. I think it'll look super cool, so hopefully you guys think so too. Thanks.
And I really don't think I could have said it any better myself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy making videos like this that are just fun montages of me making memories with my friends. So if you did enjoy it, maybe leave me like a comment or a like down below, and subscribe as well for more. I hope to see you in the next video.